Hello, everyone. I'm Dr. Diana, and welcome again to one of my classes. We're going to see today, by far, one of my favorite subjects. I know it's scary, but I promise you're going to enjoy it after this. I named this the Pharma Monster Review because I know a lot of you are scared of pharma, but trust me, you're going to enjoy this, and it's the one of the most important subjects during the test, so try to learn everything I'm saying. As always, I'm putting a little brain next to the frequently asked questions. So every time you see a video, you can take notes about it or you can go over this again and again. So, with that being said, we're going to start now. First of all, this part is extremely important and helps you understand one of the biggest monsters. We're going to have agonists and